Hey everyone, welcome back to the Hamstead, or welcome to, this is our first video. So today we're going to test a theory. Now I kind of just thought of this, I honestly don't know if it's going to work, so that's why we're testing it. But it is, the beginning of August, and we don't have any babies. They were supposed to come last month, because we had the buck in for about 4 weeks back in March. I think the whole month of March and a little bit of April. So we should have had babies last month. Didn't happen. But luckily, I thought that they weren't growing very well, size-wise, so I ended up putting all the goats together back in May, the end of May. So now, if they are pregnant this time, we will have baby goats in October, which is really sucky, because this is northeast Pennsylvania, and it gets cold in October, November, December, when we'll have little babies. On the plus side, we'll have babies available for Christmas gifts. So, that's that. Well, I was watching some videos of people getting their goats ultrasounded, and I thought that would be cool, but can't afford that, or a machine to do it ourselves. So then I was just thinking, like, man, I wish I could do that. And then I remembered that I was cleaning out our bedroom a couple weeks ago, and I found my baby heart monitor from when I was pregnant 2 years ago. So I thought, I wonder if that would work. So I posted in my goat group. A couple people said they tried it and didn't have much success. The rumens are really loud. And then a couple people said that it worked with a stethoscope. And then someone said it worked on her dog. So here's to being hopeful. Here's to them actually being pregnant. Because I'm going to be honest with you guys, they don't really look pregnant. So we're going to put them up on the goat milk stand one by one and check them out. I have to start fondling more anyways because they don't like to be milked. So get them up here and see what's what. Cross fingers, pray. All that fun stuff.
Pray.
So let's see. So this is Rhonda. We're going to check her. And I'm told it's on this side, on the back side, and the lower part is where we want to look for. So let's see if this actually works. The hardest part is this thing is so darn big. So if it was a small little doppler, it would be a lot easier. And this is probably going to be really loud in my ears. Let's see, I'll probably hear all rooming, but it's worth the effort, I guess. Don't hear anything yet. But I guess that's better than hearing straight rumen and being confused. Let's see. Throw some more gel on there. And try to, like, if she's going to do it in October, she's not going to be real far along. So I'm trying to push it back as close to where it would be on a human. Like when you're looking for a heartbeat at around 15 weeks on a human, you have to go really low. So I'm trying to apply that same principle, but I'm getting a lot of nothingness. And on top of that, I'm not even sure how fast a little goat heartbeat. That's probably rumen. I don't hear any actual heartbeat. Let's see. Let's move it around some more. I'm actually impressed at how well she's standing here because she's one of our newer goats. We got her this spring, so we haven't actually milked her yet. And, I mean, she loves to eat, so she's content with eating that grain right now, but I'm surprised she's actually very nicely just standing here. Maybe she'll be a good milker if she ever gets pregnant.
I'm moving around a little because there's bugs biting my leg and it itches.
I'm not hearing anything, which is sad, but according to the people that I talked to on Facebook, not unexpected.
Maybe she doesn't have...
You can pause the video. Alright, so we checked 3 out of 4 of our girls, and I didn't hear anything. I heard some scratching, some rooming, and then a lot of nothing. So hopefully that just means that the babies aren't big enough, because I really want them to be pregnant. This is Lainey. She's the last one that I tried it on, and nothing. Nothing. So that's that. I might try again in a couple weeks just because I have it. I have the little gel stuff, so why not? So we'll see. Maybe I'll hear something. But worst case scenario, probably going to try to breed them with a different buck. We've had them in with this one for a long time now. And if he's not doing the job, we're going to find someone else who will. So we might just breed him back to the same one that we bred the first time. It was a friend's buck. She let us borrow it for a little over a month. So hopefully she'll be nice enough to do that again. So we'll see. Hopefully they're pregnant. Hopefully I just failed at trying to find them. I don't know. Until next time. Say bye, Lainey. She don't care. She's eating. She's eating the good stuff. See you guys.